Hello, welcome back to this second series of the PWO Trading Forex workshop. This video is the second video for this series of training, this series of workshop. In the previous video, I talked about the objectives of the free Forex workshop and benefits that every student will benefit from this free workshop. Okay, so in today's video I'll be talking about and guiding you as a student on few things that you need to know, and today is another series of this course, so just follow me closely and you will understand better what today's course will be teaching you. Alright, so without wasting much time, as the second video of this training, I'll be going straight to it. Alright, I'll be going straight to it, so take your time and understand every bit of this training. Do not skip any and do not overlook any, because any course I take you on this training is very important as far as this workshop is concerned and as far as trading the Forex market is concerned. Alright, so I'll be going straight to the video without wasting much time on this particular course. Okay, so what are we discussing today? We'll be discussing about currency pair. We'll be talking about currency pair, all right, in this particular workshop training. So what are currency pair? I have some of them listed there, but I'm going to explain so that you understand better. And in the course of this particular video, I'm going to go over to the trading app, the mobile phone trading app, so that you will understand how everything work. Okay, so currency pair. Now if you hear the word currency and the word pair, what do they mean? Currency, all right, currency simply means money. All right, money in any particular country. All right, it can be euro, it can be US dollar, it can be Great British pounds. Okay, I'm going to explain and you're going to understand more as we go in the course of this workshop training. All right, now that is currency. Now when you hear the word pair, pair means they appear together. For example, you can pair euro and USD together, which is US dollars together. Okay, that is why it is called currency pair. So in trading or in trading any financial market, currency is not just traded for only one. Okay, it is paired together because you're buying the order and selling the order. Do you understand? You're buying the order and selling the order. That is why it is called pair, currency pair. All right, now you can see some list of currency that I have here. These are the major currency in Forex trading. All right, every other currency is called exotic currency. You're going to learn more as we go in the course of this trading. Okay, you're going to learn more. All right, so we have the euro and it is abbreviated. We have the US dollars, it is abbreviated as USD. We have the Great British pounds, it is abbreviated as GBP. All right, we have Swiss franc, it is abbreviated as CHF. We have New Zealand dollars, it is abbreviated as NZD. We have Australian dollars, it is abbreviated as AUD. We have Canadian dollars, it is abbreviated as CAD. We have Japanese yen, it is abbreviated as JPY. we have Chinese yen. It is abbreviated as CNY. Okay, and ETC. The ETC that I mean there is the exotic pair. Now, the exotic pair that I mean is they are not the major pairs. Okay, they are not the major currencies. Okay, they are called exotic or minor currencies. Like they can put together other currencies that is not listed there with any of these currencies that is listed there. All right, that is what is called currency pair. All right, now moving away from that, another thing that you need to know in this training is currency pair, they are paired together. Okay, now for example, let me take this for example, Euro USD. They pair it together. You're going to understand more once we go to the practical aspect, because I'll be showing you practical after this theory I'm giving you. So when you pair Euro and USD together, that is one currency pair. All right, if you want to trade Euro and USD, you're either saying that Euro is going to do better than USD, okay, or if you're trading USD to be better than or be in value more than Euro, you're trading that USD will be in value more than Euro. I hope you're understanding this particular explanation. If I'm too fast, I'm very sorry. If I'm too slow too, I'm very sorry. Just look for a way and fix yourself in my pace so that we can move together in understanding. All right, I vow to you that I'm going to simplify everything, and I'm putting in my best to simplify everything for you. All right, so the last thing I want to talk about on this currency pair before I move to the next slide is when they are listed together. For example, Euro and USD, the first currency pair that you see is always the base. It is called the base currency. Okay, now the next currency that will be paired together with that first currency is called the quote currency. The base currency and the quote currency. What does it mean? The base simply means that the first currency is stronger than the second currency that is paired together. I hope you're following me. The first currency is paired together. So the first currency that is paired together with the second currency, the first currency has more strength than or over the next currency that is paired together. For example, let's take this Euro and US dollars. Okay, if they are paired together, with your own layman understanding, you will understand that Euro is bigger than, in value, is bigger than US dollar. Okay, so whenever you see Euro and USD, which is one of the most popular traded currency in the Forex market, you should understand that Euro is the base currency and US dollar is the quote currency, and Euro is greater than or more in value or bigger than USD. I hope you understand this concept now. So generally, this is the concept of currency pair. This is the concept of currency pair. All right, it's very simple. All you need to know, all you need to do or to know is the abbreviations, because in the trading app they are not listed in full. For example, Euro, US dollars, Great British pounds. No, they are not listed like that. How they are listed is based on the abbreviation. Like if you look towards the left of this currency pair, I'm telling you, you will see EUR, you will see USD, you will see GBP. This is how they are listed. Okay, this is how they are listed. They are not listed as their full names. Okay, so I will be moving to the next slide, but I hope you understand what this currency pair is. We have a lot of currency pair. What you're going to do is, when we move over to the practical aspect of it, you're going to be seeing a lot of currency pair, and you should know their names. Okay, you should know their names. You should know the countries that is trading those currency pair. All right, now that is one of the assignments you'll be doing. All right, for yourself. But if you don't want to do the overall assignment for yourself, you can just follow the simple step that I will be taking you on here, and just flow with this major currency pairs. Okay, so let's move to the next slide without wasting further time. All right, what is the next concept we'll be looking at? We'll be looking at the bid and the ask price. Okay, the bid and the ask price. And for this example, I will be using the Euro USD. Now you can see how I abbreviated this currency. You can see how the currency pair is. So this is how the currency pair will be appearing on your trading app, all right, which we are going to see shortly. All right, so I will be using Euro USD currency pair to explain on MT4 mobile application. All right, I will take you there and we are going to do practical, but let me explain the concept. Now, what is the concept of bid and ask price? I will talk about bid. What are we talking about? When we talk about ask price, what comes to your mind? Now let me explain. Now when we talk about bid, we're talking about the price that the buyers are willing to buy. Okay, a particular currency pair, a particular financial market instrument. It can be crypto, it can be stock or anything. All right, as far as the financial market, okay, the bid is the price that the buyer is willing to buy, whereas the ask price is that price that the sellers are willing to sell to the buyers. Okay, whereas the bid price is the buying price, ask price is the selling price. Okay, do not get confused, just follow the concept. I will show you in the practical shortly. Okay, so let me come again. The bid price is the price that the buyers are willing to buy. Ask price is the price that sellers are willing to sell. Okay, let me use this scenario, okay, of a local bank, all right, to give you an illustration. Let me say, okay, let me give the example from a local bank in Nigeria. All right, let me just use that example as a local bank in Nigeria. Now, if you have a trip that you want to make, okay, let me take it like this. You have a particular occasion that you want to carry out, and you need some amount of dollar to spend or to purchase something, and that thing you need to purchase is just dollar that you must need use to purchase it. And you walk straight to the bank and you tell the bank that you need dollar. Okay, the bank, they are going to sell for you, right? That means you're the buyer. Okay, the bank is the seller and you're the buyer. Now if you want to buy, the bank is going to tell you that we are selling dollar for 400 naira. Okay, because you buy from them at the rate of 400 naira. All right, now when you want to go and sell to them, you have dollar that you want to sell to them, they will not tell you that our buying price from you will be 380 naira. You can see that their ask price now is 380 naira, whereas their buying price is 400. That means they are making profit of 20 naira per each dollar transaction. I hope you understand. That means you are the buyer, the bank, they are the sellers. Okay, and the other way around, if you go to sell to them, they are going to give you another price. That is the ask and the bid price. And in every financial market or transaction, the ask price, which is the seller's price, is always higher than the bid price. Okay, the bid price is not high than the ask price. So these are the things that you need to know. I hope this concept is simplified now. Let me come again. The bid price is the price that buyers are willing to buy, and the ask price is the price that sellers are willing to sell. In Forex market now, they are not the same as what I have illustrated, because I use the physical scenario to illustrate it. Now you're going to see a particular number, a price of a particular currency by the left, and you're going to see a particular price of that currency by the right. When we move to the practical aspect of it, the left aspect is the bid price, while the ask is at the right side of the trading app. So when we go, you're going to understand better, all right? You're going to understand better how these things work. So keep calm, let's continue, all right? Now we are going to the next concept. What is leverage? All right, now I simplify leverage to the lowest man's understanding. It simply means a borrowed money from your broker. Okay, a borrowed money from your broker. Who are your brokers? Brokers are the people that give you license. They give you access to the financial market. Okay, they are the ones that you're going to open a trading account with. If you make any profits, they are the ones to pay your profits. If you lose, they are the ones to take your money. That is, the market has taken your money. Okay, and in the course of the trading workshop, I will be teaching more about broker. All right, so that is how simple it is, because it is very important for you to choose a good broker. All right, broker that is not scamming you, broker that is approved by the government of a particular country that they reside in. So these are the criteria. As we go on in this trading workshop, I'm going to guide you on brokers that you are going to use, brokers that can accept small amount of money to start your real trading. Okay, so that is that. Now let's go back. What is leverage? Now it simply means a borrowed money from your broker. What do I mean by borrowed money? Now let me give you this example. For example, you want to trade Euro USD. Okay, you want to trade that financial market, Euro USD, and you just have $10. All right, and $10, you cannot use $10 to execute that particular trade. All right, what you will do is you will borrow money from your broker. That means you will leverage your capital. Okay, now you will now borrow, for example, you will now borrow $20. When you borrow $20 and add it up to the $10, it becomes $30. Then you can be able to take that trade for $30. But the $20 is not yours. The $10 is yours. Okay, so this is the simple illustration of leverage. So leverage is borrowing money to be able to trade. Now let me warn you that is in PWO Forex trading workshop currently. Let me warn you, leveraging is very bad. Leveraging is very good. Leverage is very bad when you don't have a good edge in the market and you're leveraging yourself. That means you're borrowing money, and you know how business can be. You borrow money to do business. Anything can happen to that capital and you will be in debt. All right, now it will not be better that you borrow money and you're owing your broker. Whenever you want to go live again or deposit, they will take the one you're owing them first before they can allow you to trade. And leverage is good in the sense that if you leverage very well and you have the advantage, you know how to maximize the advantage of leveraging, you're going to profit, because if the market moves in your favor, you will gain or profit more, far better than what you wouldn't have profited if you hadn't taken any leverage from your broker. I hope you understand me. And in forex trading, we have leverage of 1.50, we have leverage of 200, we have leverage, and so on. We have so many leverage depending on the one you want to go on with. I'm going to be guiding you on leveraging when you want to open your demo account or your real account. All right, so this particular video is not for that aspect. Right, this particular video is not for that aspect. I hope you understand the concept so far I have explained in this video, and I hope you understand the concept of what is leverage. Right, So let's move on. Now subscribe to this YouTube channel, PWO Forex Workshop Students. Subscribe to this YouTube channel and get this YouTube channel to 50 subscribers. All right, like the video, like I said in the previous video of this training, like the video so that other people can discover this video. All right, if this is one of the things that the academy will benefit from you, I think it's not bad. I mentioned all these things in the first video. All right, if you've not watched that video, do well to go and watch that video. All right, so that you will understand what objective this workshop is talking about. You cannot skip any of this workshop video or lecture, because if you skip any of it, you're going to miss hugely on a particular information. All right, the training is planned already, totally planned, so don't mix any of them, don't miss any of them, don't skip anyone for anyone. All right, watch them accordingly and it will benefit you more better. All right, so subscribe and hit the notification bell, like the video, comment, and I will read your comments and I will answer you if you have any question. All right, now let's move to the practical aspect of it. Now let's go over to MT4 mobile trading application for practicals. All right, I'll be taking you through my phone, all right, for you to understand better, because that is what this workshop simply means. You don't necessarily need to have a laptop before you can profit or before you can trade Forex. All right, things are very simplified now. All right, like I said in the last video, I'm not here to monopolize Forex trading teachings. I'm here to simplify them. All right, that is one of the goals of this trading workshop. So now we are going to go over to the practical aspect of it. I'm going to go over to my mobile MT4 app and you're going to see all that I've discussed from the slide 1 to the slide 6 of this video. All right, now let's go. All right, as you can see now in this particular video or this interface, once you just sign up, you have your accounts created, which I believe you have done so. Once you open your MT4, this is how the interface will look like. All right, but let me educate you on this. The interface might be different, okay, but the currency pairs, the bid and the ask price, they are going to be the same. All right, interface might be different in the sense that the phone I'm using to do this course currently is an iOS phone. All right, so you might be using an Android phone. Okay, if your interface is different, do not bother yourself. All right, the concept is the same. All right, it's just the phone different kind of building. Okay, like they have the phone different kind of building, but if you're using an Android phone, it's fine. If you're using an iOS, it's fine. But just to sound it clear to you, this is an iOS interface, okay, but the concepts are the same. Now let me just take you, as I'm taking you on it now, you can be doing yours on your Android phone and you understand that the concept is the same. All right, currently this is what the market is. All right, at the left here, at the left of my screen here, you can see the Euro USD I talked about, abbreviated. All right, that is what matters. That is what matters. After this practical, you're going to be able to understand this interface, because I know if you're totally a novice in this this workshop, you'll be asking yourself, what are these numbers that are here? Okay, I'm going to explain the most important ones that you need. Others are irrelevant. Others are used for brokers calculations and all that. All right, so the ones that is relevant, they are the ones that I'm going to be explaining now practically. All right, so now we have the Euro USD. Okay, the Euro USD, you can see it here is abbreviated. Now to the right of the screen, you can see the first number 1 1.0901, okay, raised to power 4. Now to the right of the screen, you can still see 1.09068. all right, so take note of these three things I've mentioned currently in this practical aspect, and once I am done, it is applicable to every other thing that is on this particular interface of this trading mobile app. Okay, now the Euro USD, like I talked about, you can see the currency pair, it is abbreviated. Now away from that, let's go to the next one. You can see GBP USD, you see how they are abbreviated. All right, so they are currency pair, they are joined together. Now the Euro USD is the base currency, while the euro is the base currency, while the USD is the quote currency. That is to tell you that euro is greater in value than US dollar. All right, I hope you understand that now practically. You don't need anybody to tell you that euro is bigger than US dollar. And if you move over to the next currency pair that is there below it, you will see GBP USD. You don't need somebody to tell you that pounds, which is Great British Pounds, is bigger than US dollar. So that is how it is. Now let's move over to the next concept I talked about in the theory part. Now if you look at the first number on this Euro USD currency pair, you will see that the first number there, okay, let me call it the left number. The left number there is 1.0901 raised to power 4. Now the right number there is 1.0906 raised to power 8. Okay, now where is the bid price? Where is the ask price? The left number here is the ask price, which is 1.0901 raised to power 4. And the right number here is the ask price, okay, which is 1.09068. The left is the bid price, the right is the ask price. Now you might be saying, why is it raised to power 4 and why is it raised to power 8? All right, that is called the raised to power 8 and the raised to power 4 is called the pip count. Okay, it's called the pip count, but we are not going to be going into pip calculation now because it is part of this course, okay, but not part of this particular outline for this video. All right, so we are going to understand better. So the concept of this training today is currency pair, which we've looked at, we've seen the practical, and bid and ask price. All right, now leveraging will come in whenever you want to register your demo account or your real account. It's done automatically in that process. All right, and I'll be guiding you whenever you want to go in for that. All right, I'll be guiding you whenever you want to go in for that. All right, so that is that. Now let's just take a stroll on this mobile app to see how other currencies are being listed. Now we can see the first one here is Euro USD. We have second one GBP USD. We have the third one, we have Euro GBP. That is an exotic pair. We have the next one, Gold USD, which is XAU USD. All right, that is gold. That is the currency pair for gold. All right, gold. Remember, gold is not a currency pair. Gold is not a currency pair. Gold is a commodity. All right, I believe we have seen this in the introduction part of this particular workshop course. All right, when I talked about what is traded on Forex, things that you trade on Forex. I hope you remember. All right, so the next one here is GBP JPY. The next one is GBP CAD, which is GBP card. All right, so these are the currency pairs, okay, that we have here. Whenever we call them pairs, they are just paired together. All right, now as we go on, these are what I added on my list. Below here is cryptocurrencies. We have BTC USD, we have ADA USD, we have Ethereum USD, and all that. Now somebody will be asking, can we trade crypto on Forex? Yes, we can. You have even seen their pair here, but that is not the reason for this video or this course. So before I conclude this video, I hope that you have learned something in this video today. I hope that you've learned something in this video, and the major concept of this teaching for today is currency pair. And I know that you've known currency pairs, you've known what they are on the trading app, and we have the bid and the ask price. You've known what they are on the trading app. All right, we have the leverage. I've explained to you what leverage is, which is simply borrowing money from a broker to increase your capacity of trading. All right, so this is the training for this particular outline. All right, and I hope you understand. All right, so bringing this video to a conclusion, subscribe to this YouTube channel, like this video, comment, and I will see you over in the trading workshop.